Okay, y'all, welcome back. Welcome back. Um, Now, like I promised, I said I was gonna show y'all my supplies. So I'm gonna start over here in this row right here. Now, never mind that box at the top. That's a bunch of friend mail, love mails. Supposed to be mailing out months and Sundays ago. Just never got around doing it because I've been so busy. Now, I'm gonna start right here, like I said, in this here row right here. So now I'm gonna talk fast, so I'm hurry up and get through this video. A lot of y'all seen my videos. But for those who have not, I seen this did this video about a year ago, and I took the video down, whatever, however. But a lot of people had not seen my supply, so and plus I had a couple of requests. So some of the ladies said they would love to see the supply. So here we go. All right, now this here is this drawer marked Fimo. These here, I got these here from the Dollar Tree, and what I did was they little peel containers, and I took the Sunday Monday stuff off with the nail polish remover, and then I put the Fimos in there, and then I glued one on top just to show me what I get. Okay, so now this here thing is right here just like that, and then they come out. I'm only explaining this for those who don't know what these are, because some folks probably don't know what these are. So yeah, they are, and they individual, and they open up like right, they open up that way or whatever. Okay, so in this here whole drawer thing, let me push it back in here. I got this here from Walmart. Don't know, a couple years back. Don't know exactly how much I paid for it, but this is two of them, one here and one there, sitting on top of it. And so this here, just in case you was wondering, it holds 2, 4, 6 of these here peel things here. And then I also got these little tubs right here from Dollar Tree, and I just put my extra little Fimo canes in there. I got a blade going on around somewhere up in there just to have it stored there, but can't find it right now. This here next one is called swatches, and that's exactly what these are. My fingernail swatches and all that good stuff like that there. Okay, and little rings and swatches and stuff. Okay, it's nothing real fantastic up in there. This one, next one here is acrylics and Shauza. And that's exactly what's in here. These here tubes right here. This is the holiday tubes. This is from Nail Light. This here is from Key West acrylic. Yeah. And these here are shells. Okay, these here are more shells here. These are the little glass shells there. These are some little shells that I made, with the little shells. Everybody and their mama know what those are, because we all done made those shells. Okay, if y'all wondering what's on my nails, I'm going to show y'all in a minute, because I'm about to get ready to snatch these suckers off. But, yeah, because my studs is falling off. But I'm going to show y'all what this little mint color is here. Okay, so the next drawer is marked tools. Oh, child, wait a minute, hold on now. Okay, yeah, it's marked tools, and that's exactly what's up in here, y'all. It's some tools. I got me some brushes right here. I got these some Nail Light. I got me a little rag right there. I got these little spoons here. I can't seem to find them other little itty bitty spoons everybody be having all on here, and I can't find those, so I got to suffer with these here. But these work all right, I still like them little teeny tiny little things. They just so cute. Anyway, this is my little C-line thing there. This is my little thing to hold the brush thing there. This here is my Buki brush, and it come in a little pouch right there, and you can zip it back up. You can store it away. This here is that little hole puncher thingy that put the holes in the nails for the dangos. The reason I'm explaining this here, because you got a lot of young ladies out here that's just starting off that don't know what a lot of these tools are. So just work with me, bear with me, and I know everybody know what this is, right? And I got me some tweezers that I got in some love mail from the beautiful Jen. Sunshine Nail Design. Okay, y'all didn't pay for the singing, so I'm going to stop. These are my blades for my female. Okay, so the next one here is shells. Okay, and that's one thing you girl got. You never got to worry about no shells. So if you ever receive some friend love / mail from me, just keep in mind you will be getting shells. If you don't like shells, you better leave me a message and let me know I don't like no shells. Anyway, here's more shells here that I have got off eBay and all that stuff. But I'm telling y'all, these shells, I'm telling y'all, put them suckers in the mix, baby. Okay. All right, and these more eggshells right here that I never died and just got them stored away, hoping one day I don't open it up and smell like no funky eggs. Yeah, but anyway, so this here is my, I don't know, what's this one labeled? Molds. Okay, these here are all my molds here. This here is a Fimo slicer right here. Like I said, I'm going to talk real fast. I'm trying to hurry up and get through this video. It's Fimo slicer. It's called Slicer Junior. I got this off eBay about a couple years ago. What you do is you put your Fimo right up in there. Got to be careful because I cut my finger. I'm telling y'all, I'm going to hurt somebody up in here on this YouTube channel. I'm going to hurt somebody. Okay, so put your Fimo up in there to chow. To there, you know, ta-da, and then it come on out, and then you got your little Fimo slice. It work alright. It ain't the best of the best. You know, me personally, I'd rather just use my own blades and just, you know. But, yeah, here go the little brush that comes with it, too. These here are all my moves right there. Okay, and that next drawer there says brushes, okay? And with the brushes, we also have a little dust here. So, you know, it comes with some dust. So, anyway, these are just practice brushes here, practice acrylic brushes here, practice gel brushes there. Bunch of them I bought, you know, a couple years ago. And these here, I just hold on to those so that may make me another acrylic tube or whatever, Anyway, the next one here is label files. And that's exactly what these are. These are my little files back here, my buffers and files. And these are some more little buffers, some little square buffers that come like that there. These here are some little extra little drills. You know how you very first start off, you get this here on Walgreens and you get this here on off eBay. And yeah, then and you upgrade. That's how they go. These are my files. These are my feet files right here. That's for my feet, my own personal little feet files there. Anyway, so the next one there is glitters, okay? Smart glitters, okay? I don't have many glitters because I don't make glitter mixes. I'm not the best glitter mixer, okay? Not especially not compared to you ladies here on the YT, because y'all be hooking up some mixes, honey. And I'm telling you, I'd rather buy them than to be trying to make them. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. They gotta excuse this old dirty carpet too, because I'm telling you, I'm not trying to clean no carpet. So, but anyway. Okay, and this here last drawer here is marked miscellaneous, which means we have some cotton balls back here. These little strip things you get from the Dollar Tree that you cut up and make your own little mala and put it in your glitter mixes. And these here are my little feet things, my little flip-flop feet things when I do my little pedicure. Whoa! Okay, we're gonna move on over here. All right, work with me here now. Like I said, I'm paying no attention to that thing right there because I made that a couple years back. And, you know, it's kind of leaning a little to the side. A little kick is a little crick. Look. Tongue tied, a little cricket, but anyway, I'm gonna stop acting silly and gonna finish on with my video. Okay, this first one here, I got this here, like I told y'all, about 6 months ago. I got this here. I paid like $29.99. It was on sale, free shipping. You know what I'm saying? Wish I had got two because I need another one now. Really don't need it, but I want another one. But anyway, so yeah, they don't have that sale no more. You might catch it one day anyway, but I got it off eBay, and that's how they go. This here one marked tips. And that's exactly what's going on up and through here. We got all kind of tips. We got, yeah, I'm not going to go through all these tips, but that's what those are. A bunch of tips. Okay, the next one here, it says mixes, right? And that's what we got up in here. We got a bunch of mixes, okay? Excuse me. We got a bunch of mixes in organic nails with the set. These here are color acrylics, okay? Back there, these here. And then these here, I only got like 6 collections in here. Okay, so I don't have many organic collections, but you know, I think I got like 6 or 7 collections, but in some little few colors or whatever. This next drawer right here is not titled, and the reason it's not titled is because I thought that would be very, very cliche if I titled this organic. Hello, I'm not gonna do that. This is just not gonna happen. So I just stored away all my organic stuff in here. You know, let me see. Everything that came in that little pro kit, you know, with the exception of this here. This is an apron. They gave me that free. These are my files here. And then I bought that separate. And I bought this, and I bought this, and I bought that, and I bought that separate. And I think I bought this here. I bought this here separate too. So I did a video on my the Pro Nail Kit. So if you want to know everything that come in that Pro Nail Kit, you might want to go back and check out one of my videos. And then, yeah, because I don't feel like going through all the stuff that's in here. But, yeah, but everything that what I just pointed out is in that kit. So you have to go back and check that out, okay? And so, y'all, the next one is called mixes, okay? And so in my mix drawer here, we got Glam and Glitz mixes right there. And then we have the Mia Secrets Galaxy collection here. And then we have the Easy Flow Boogie Nights. Is that Boogie Nights? Just regular Walk of Fame. Walk of Fame Boogie Nights right there. And this here is a Mia Secrets Carnival right here. Okay, that's Mia Secrets Carnival right there. All right. Okay, now this is the first time this ever happened. I don't have no problems under this drawer. Okay, y'all. They want to act a fool because I'm on camera. That's all. Anyway, so this next one here is also labeled mixes, and we're gonna go in here, and this here mix in the back. This here is from the Nail Factory, okay, and this here is that new collection I say about organic nails. This here is from Nail Factory as well. It's the pink collection here. This here is the Easy Flow Carnival collection. Mia Secrets got a Carnival collection, and Easy Flow got a Carnival collection. Okay, and this here is another Nail Factory collection right there. Okay, so the next one here is called Color Acrylics and Gels. Okay, and that's exactly what we got in here. More color acrylics from Glam and Glitz. And these here are from Banggood. And this here is some type of lavender I call myself making. But it's a cute color though. And these here are my little gels that I probably got off Banggood or something like that. Little cheap little gels. I hadn't used them yet, but so I don't really know how they work. And I got a couple more little cheap gels I got off of eBay there. Okay, and the next one is name tips, and that's exactly what's all in here. Bunch of little tips. I'm not gonna go through all these tips. That's what it is. These are my Louis Vuitton and Gucci tips, and everything else is like eBay tips and other tips that I got from different little nail sites. Okay, now I want to act the fool. And the next one here as well is name tips, and that's exactly what's going on up and through there. Bunch of tips, bunch of designer tips here. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. What are these? Oh, what is that? Oh yeah, these are my Louis Vuittons here too. And then these here as well. Got confused there for a minute. These here as well as my Louis Vuittons. And I got some Gucci tips up under there. And a bunch of other little designer tips going on. I'm not going through all the tips. So, I'm sorry. This here drawer is labeled. It's not labeled. Oh. No, I wonder why they didn't label this one. I don't know. Anyway, so I got these little rolls right here. These are the little things that we encapsulate into the nails. And, you know, Walmart sell these for like $5-6. I found mine from the Goodwill. Come with a lot of on the rolls. This one here just got about just as much as that one got. These here, is it gonna focus? Focus now. These here are some extra little lint. Supposed to be lint-free wipes. Why this thing not focusing? Supposed to be lint-free wipes, but yeah, they got lint in it. And those there are my little gel pens that I have yet to use. And the last one here just have these little extra little foot thingies in there like that there. And I'm telling you, I never had no problem with these drawers until today. Now I'm going to move on over here. Okay, let me move these little speaker things out the way. This is why I be listening to my little music on, y'all. My little speaker things here. I be on the phone with this one sometimes, but it done clunked out on me, so it's so old. So I might have to let me toss it now in the trash. But this is the one here I be listening to my sounds on. I had this here on my desk when I be doing my nails. Okay, so right over here, y'all, this is the little nail polish thing I made. I made this here probably about 2 weeks ago. And what I had did was, now I don't know if anybody, if y'all seen my room, my beauty room, you know, my video of that room, when I bought the shelves or whatever, and I showed y'all with my shoes on it. Okay, in the box with the shelves, it came with foam. Okay, these foam blocks right here. Now this here one didn't. This one came with it too, but this not the size that I used. It was double the size of this here. I just got this here for video purpose to show y'all what I used. So what I did was I took 3 of those blocks and I wrapped them up with tape. And I stacked them up into stairs, and then I put 2 more blocks in the back to make it, you know, stand straight up against the wall. Now, I could have paid $9.99 for one on eBay or whatever have you. I just didn't feel like paying no $9.99 for no nail polish rag, and I just felt like I can do it myself. So I felt like doing it myself, and I did. And it's cute, and it's holding my little gel polishes because I ain't had nowhere to store my gel polishes. So there it is, okay? So in this here thing right here, same thing. I make this as well. What this here is you know how somebody, y'all know the little plastic that come in the coffee mugs. I got some coffee mugs for Christmas one year, and so I had used the plastic. I said, it's a nice hard plastic. I'm gonna keep that. So I used the plastic. I made this here, put some foam in here, duct taped it, and put foam in there, and made it all sturdy and stuff. And I just store little stuff up in there like that. There, let me show y'all. See. That's all that is. It's just that. It's real sturdy. I just use it and put it right there. Nice little DIY. I think so. But anyway, so these here are just really empty bottles. I don't know why they're sitting there. This here's a little candy and little bubble gum I have from my little gans. They come over here. I let them stick their little paws up there and grab a little piece of candy or whatever. You know, and there. Because this about as far as the only thing they can touch up in the room, you know. You know, they love to come up in here. They call this the fun room. But anyway, so that's what that is. That's my old tripod. I don't use that no more. This here is some old mixes they're not really old. It's just when I use a mix, I don't throw my mixes away. These are all the mixes that my love bugs and sugar bugs send me. And like I said, if I use a mix, I'm not throwing it away. I normally put it, you know, tape it on to my jars or whatever. But in this case, I put these here in the bag and I reuse them. I go back and use them again. So, okay. So now we're going to move on over here to this here drawer here. And this drawer right here is exactly what it's called. It's called mixes. And in this drawer is just mixes that I call myself trying to make. Okay. So, yeah, that's all back there. All right. And then, okay, so, and then, and this here next drawer here is just titled Hexies. And that's exactly what's back there. Hexies. Them Hexies. And then them Hexies mixed with a little gel or whatever. Something, you know, how you be trying to just make and do stuff. And these here more Hexies. And a lot of this stuff I wouldn't even have if I didn't get it in no friend love mail. Like Jen sent me these here, you know, bless her heart. See, Nails by Jen, yeah, and Jen's Nails World. You know, she changed her name, but you know, we all know her, right? So, yeah, those are my Hexies. This here is my treatments, okay? So, now, wait a minute. What happened to my... I know I ain't went no 40 minutes into this video. Oh, this is... Okay, y'all, I'm a little slow and confused right now, but hold on. This here one is named treatments, okay? So now I'm gonna open this here up and see how far I am, because I might have to make a part 2 in this video. So let me pull this out, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and make a part 2. So y'all mosey on over to part 2 and check a sister out. All right, I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm gonna holler back at y'all real soon. In a minute now.